Hi, it's me again with Corel Draws Tips and Tricks, and somebody just posted this picture on Facebook less than 30 minutes ago, and I just brought it in here and drew it. Now, I drew more triangles because I don't really understand what this is for, but you could eliminate some of these and do exactly like this. Uh, I didn't really think about it till I was halfway through, and the triangles aren't symmetrical in this picture, and so I didn't make them symmetrical, and this is what it looks like. This would be a cutout. You could cut this out of, this looks like plywood, and that would cut. This is kind of easy, kind of fun, and it's a 12-sided pentagon. So you just grab your pentagon and make it, or polygon, and make it a 12-sided polygon. So we're going 12 sides. I'm going to hold down the control button. I'm going to make this one quite a bit larger. Well, I let go of the control button. I'm going to make it quite a bit larger for the video. And we'll move this out of the way. The pictures. And we're going to put our new one in the center of the page. So I need to go a little further out with this. And then you need a smaller pentagon. So let's go Control D and make a duplicate and just hold down the Shift button and it'll actually grow it from the center. And that's about what it looks like. Now we need to make some lines and also make some contours, because of the fact that you need the wood to stay in. You need this piece right here to be stay in there. So we're going to contour to the outside on this one. I'm going to go to Effects, Contour. I'm going to contour 0.1 of an inch and see what that looks like. That's not far enough. And I want to go to the outside, so I'm going to go 0.25. There we go. Now on this one, I'm going to go 0.25 to the inside. Now I'm going to select all this, and I'm going to break all the objects selected apart. We want to take the inside contour, and let's see how big our item is. It's almost 15 inches, so we're going to change our nudge distance to 15 inches. We want to take that inside contour and move it to out there. We want to take our outside one and move it out there. Now we know we started with a 1/4 of an inch contour, so we're going to take a 1/4 of an inch rectangle. And we'll go ahead and make it the whole distance, but we'll just make it 0.25 wide. And now I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. Control D and make a duplicate of it and rotate it 30 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now I need to get rid of this out of the way a little bit more. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to go front minus back. That didn't work. I'm going to go back minus front, and it worked perfectly. Now you see where I'm going. I'm going to nudge this back and nudge this back, and that would actually cut out right there. You could take your Smart Fill tool and just kind of prove it. So that was there. We've got half the problem solved. Now we're going to take another 1/4 of an inch thick rectangle, 0.25, and we're going to rotate it. Let's pre-rotate it 30 degrees to see what that happens. That's probably not enough. No, it's not enough. So we need to go, I'm going to stick it right there on that corner. We're pretty even there. I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to move my rotation in that corner right there. And now I'm going to move the other one here. I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and I'm going to delete those lines. Now I've got an object there. The problem is it's already, no it's not, we didn't rotate it. So we're good. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that. And I'm going to move the rotation to the center. A lot of times it doesn't look like in the center, but if you do this, it is in the center. And now we're going to rotate that 30 degrees. Control D, make it 60 degrees on the second one, and then just keep going Control D all the way around. Now we still have to, and there's probably a way you could weld it or front minus back, but I think we've gone where we really can't. So just delete these other lines. Just takes just a second. If you zoom in, you can get them better. And we'll get all the ones that we can see. And a lot of times you'll mess up if you don't zoom in. I'm going to try it. But the good thing about it, if you mess up, you can back up. We're almost finished, folks. But once again, I'm doing the full triangle, and because I don't really know what this is for. And after we get through doing this, we'll use the Smart Fill tool to basically weld all these blanks together so it would stay together. And I think we're done. Take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in. Then you can move your Smart Fill away and left click, right click, and that would cut out and look pretty much like the picture, with the exception I did it all the way around. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 showing. There's 3 not, but that could be easily fixed. You just wouldn't put that crossbar in 5 of them and then do a Smart Fill tool. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.